right, for Unit 2, this is now on the collection of the laundry. And we have to know the role on on-premise laundry. We have to identify if it is really in-house laundry, then it is part of our daily routine to do collection of the laundry. The question here is, you have to identify which of the clothes are supposed to be laundered or not. Because sometimes the guests will just throw it on the bed and even on the floor. They will just leave it that way. So if you pick them up and put them in the laundry bag, then you have to pay for that. You see? So what would make you decide that it is for laundry? Alright, it's like this. If the guest himself place it into the laundry bag, then it is for laundry. So what you would do then is to list down how many, what is the item, how many pieces, and then try to check first if there are damages. If the button was damaged, it has to be written down. Now, if it was thrown on the floor, you have no right to place that on the laundry bag. What you should do then is to apply the proper way of folding to cut short the time and then file them up either on the chair or on the bed. Right. Now, when you identify the items, you separate which of these clothes are supposed to be laundered. How will we know it? Look at the label of the clothes. We must learn how to look into the signs. If there is an X, for example, X with the symbol of a flat iron, meaning it should not be iron, and the rest of those symbols. So you segregate them and then just submit it to the laundry department then for the proper procedure to be done. Alright? Now, there are also in-house items. What are these? These are our linens, our towels, hand towels, and even curtains, including the uniforms of our co-staff. So these are all in-house items. Now, it is part of the duties of the laundry attendant to identify which are in-house items, which are that of the guest. And see to it that for every room, you really have to separate them, because once you mixed it, you will be in trouble.